Life is brutal. It doesn't care about your plans, your dreams, or your feelings. It'll knock you down, hard. And when you're gasping for air, when it feels like the weight of the world is crushing you, that's the moment you have to make a choice. Are you going to stay down, or are you going to get up and push back? You can't quit. Not now. Not ever. I don't care how tired you are. I don't care how broken you feel. You're still here. You've survived every punch life has thrown at you, and you're still breathing. So what's next? You push harder. When your mind is screaming to stop, you tell it, no. When your body's begging for rest, you push through. This isn't the time to back down. This is when you show what you're made of. One more step, one more fight, one more push. And when you think you've got nothing left, you dig deeper.